that science is very important in our daily life, but science is still unable to explain some mystery of the world, and these mystery cause superstitions.
These are called mysteries that science is unable to find the answer on.
Yes.
So, what superstitions have you researched and what are those? Can you name them?
First, it's very popular in India. First, if black cat cross your path, then your task get dialed or postponed. Second is don't go near people tree at night. Third is hanging lemon with chilies, and fourth is eye twitching.
Eye twitching.
Eye twitching.
Okay, eye twitching. Eye twitching मतलब
आँख फड़फड़ाना.
आँख फड़फड़ाना. All right. So you are going to talk about these 4 things.
Yes.
So number 1 is black cat. When black cat cross your
path, then yet we Indians believe that when black cats cross our path, then our task get dialed or postponed. But this is not right, because this is Egyptian. This superstition come from Egypt, and Egypt culture believe that black cat are evil creatures. But where is the Indian explanation is that black cat represent the Shani. So in India we believe that black cats is
Why
evil
people believe
creatures.
it? Why people believe it? We see so many people believe it that when the black cat is crossing your path, something unpleasant is going to happen with you. So why people believe in these things? Why why they do that the thing that they are doing?
Because so many people in India, they don't know logic behind them, so that's why
They don't know the logic behind it. That's why they believe that whenever a black cat will cross my way, my path, something unpleasant is going to happen. And we know some people stop there when black cat is crossing their path, and they stop their car, they stop their bike, and they don't do. And they wait for anybody to cross that path.
yes sir.
Is that the thing?
Yes sir.
So it means they are waiting for others to cross that path, and then they want to go. So what do you say about it? What do you think about it? Should they do like that? What kind of humanity is this?
I think they believe in so प्राचीन समय से चलते आ रहा
Ancient time.
है. It's come from ancient times, so
It has become our tradition also now.
yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay. So first thing is that we have not to believe when a black cat cross your path, you have not, nothing is going to happen bad with you. All right. So did you know it? This is an Egyptian culture you told about. Egypt. It came
Egypt.
from Egypt.
Yes.
They also believe it.
Yes sir.
So we also believe it. Okay. They also believe it. They also don't know the logic behind it.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, you don't know about that thing. Second superstition you were talking about.
Don't go near people tree at night, because we think that people tree is house of spirit or ghost. So this is not reason. This is reason behind it, that we know that people tree during night relieves a large amount of carbon dioxide, and during day people tree relieves large amount of oxygen. At night people tree relieves large amount of carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is harmful human beings. So
Yes, okay. But what people think? What is their superstition behind it?
people think that people tree is a house of ghosts and spirits.
House, people trees, house of ghosts. People believe that when we go near people tree at night, there's a ghost, and ghost can catch you.
Yes sir.
You also believe that?
No sir.
After reading this thing,
Yes sir. After reading this thing, I don't believe in any kind of
you have changed your
superstition.
mindset. Guys, do you anybody believe that people tree has ghost at night when we go near people tree? You also believe it? This is fake. This is fake because she has researched. This is not reality. It releases carbon dioxide in large amount at night, and that's why when we go there we feel uneasy to
Yes.
breathe and all those things.
Yes, sir.
That's why. So that's also fake. Okay. But in a day, if we talk about in a day, people worship that people tree.
Yes sir.
Okay, so if there is a ghost, why they are worshipping the people tree? It means there's no any ghost. this is the science behind it, that it releases a large amount of carbon dioxide. That's why these people think uneasy when they go near people tree at night. Second point. Third thing is that very good point. Since we are like clearing all those things that superstitions. Third point.
Third is eye twitching. We believe that when our eyes twitching, there's something happening wrong with us. So this is not any kind of superstition, because the reason of eye twitching is stress, fatigue, and weakness.
Stress, fatigue. Okay.
Fatigue and weakness of our body, and when we see the scientific reason, so the exact reason of eye twitching is not known.
Okay. So it is because of stress. Eye twitching like आँख का फड़कना. It is because of what? Stress. It is because of fatigue. And that's why that these are the reason behind it. And the exact reason is that, exact logic is that what?
So exact reason is not known.
It is not known now that why it is happening. But there is no any superstition that when you have eye twitching, nothing bad is going to happen with you. Don't worry about that. It's a biological problem. Something happens in our body. Sometimes we don't know. That's why it's happening. So this is third thing. And fourth thing is that
hanging lemon with chilies.
Hanging lemon with chilies. Okay.
In India, shopper, the worker, and they put lemon chilies. They hanging lemon chilies in their shop, front of their shop, because they
in front of cars also sometimes.
Yes, sir.
You have seen in front of trucks, in front of cars, in front of bus also. They hang lemon chilies in the morning. In the morning.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay.
Because they believe that lemon and chilies protect us from evil eye, but this is not reason. The reason behind it that lemon and chilies both are insecticidal properties. They protect our house or shop from insect.
Okay, lemon and chili protects us from insects. Okay, like worms and insects come near to our house, it protects us from that. So that's why just we hang lemon and chilies. But what people believe that and no ghost, no evil eye will protect on all those things. This is superstition behind it. Okay, so why did you research it? What was the logic behind it? Why did you research this topic?
Because near me, so many people are talking about that. They told me hanging lemon with chilies and don't go near people tree at night. And when my mother also said me, when black cat cross your path, then don't cross the road. So that's why I'm researching that topic.
Oh wow, that's very fantastic topic, and we can learn a lot of things from this topic. All right, since if we know the logic behind any superstitions, when we will know the logic, we will leave this thing and we believe that what's the reality, we understand the reality. So that's a wonderful thing that you research. Okay, so now how are you feeling sitting here in front of this camera and you are speaking? How are you feeling now? Are you happy today?
Yes, sir, I'm very happy today, and now I'm feeling comfortable with you and in front of camera also.
Okay.
I'm feeling so comfortable.
Okay. So many people think that they are studying in Hindi medium school, they cannot speak English.
Yes, sir.
What do you think behind? What do you think about it?
That's key. We all they just try to speak English.
Okay.
We all know the English.
Okay.
And they study in also school, so we all know English, but they don't have that confidence to speak to front of others. So
and they don't have literacy academy also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the thing. So anybody can speak English. You also study in Hindi medium school, so in the same way that anybody can speak English easily. So you want to ask any question from her? Yes, Anjali, do you have any question? Lokesh? Ritesh? No? Here, Sia? Sia, you also believe in superstition? Okay. So clapping for her. Come on. Let's go for it. Very good. You want to speak anything else?
At last I want to speak that there is no superstition in world. We human beings make the superstitions.